Hello and welcome to Little More Learning. Today we will be starting with our data science series, and this is basically an introductory video for you all. What this data science series is intended to teach you is data science from very scratch, and along with that we will be covering machine learning and artificial intelligence because all of these three fields are interrelated to each other. Before deep diving into data science and its tools, we should know firstly what actually data science is. So, data science, you can think, is a field of combinations that have statistics, mathematics, programming, domain expertise, machine learning, and AI. What all of these all together do is to draw insights out of the raw data that you have. Now, the data can be structured and unstructured. And data science can also be known as the art of data analysis, as it aims to turn actionable information out of the raw data. Moving on, we will discuss the key components of data science. Firstly, we have data collection. What data collection is? Data collection is basically gathering of data. Either you gather it from any Kaggle dataset or through web scraping, IoT devices, or you gather it from any API. It all comes under data collection. Next, we have data cleaning. What data cleaning is? Data cleaning is simply removing errors, inconsistencies, or any missing values in our raw data set. Then comes up data exploration. Data exploration is simply what you learn from the data set. Like what actually the data set is trying to speak from you, what actually it demands is data exploration, and what statistical tools or visualization techniques you will be putting on to this data to get the best results out of it. Next is data analysis. Data analysis is simply applying those statistical techniques, visualization tools that you have explored during the previous stage. Lastly comes up data communication. Data communication is simply how you present your data. You can present your data in the form of PowerPoint presentations. You can use charts or you can use dashboards that are available on tools like Power BI and Tableau, or lastly, you can make reports out of that data. Next, we have why is data science important? Like why we are studying data science. So data science is important because data is growing very exponentially. The volume of data is huge. Organizations are now moving toward data-driven decisions to remain competitive in this market. Applications are across every industry now. Either you look at healthcare, you look at finance, retail, government, entertainment, and whatnot. Everything is about data. And if you want real life examples, then you have Netflix and other OTT platforms or shopping platforms that you use that often show you recommendations. That is because they're using data science to just learn what your shopping patterns, your watching pattern, and recommend you the products accordingly. And apart from it, you can see the case of banks that use fraud detection techniques to prevent its customers getting scammed by any fraudulent organization or a person. Next, we have core skills required for data science. So, firstly is programming. For programming purposes, you should know what Python, R, and SQL does for data manipulation and analysis. Next, we have mathematics and statistics. You should know probability, linear algebra, basic statistics, and all testing kind of thing. Nextly is domain knowledge. What domain knowledge here understand? Suppose you are a finance analyst, so you should know what finance is. What are the aspects of finance? That is something relatable to domain knowledge. Lastly are tools. Like tools, you should know about Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, TensorFlow, and Power BI. For working as a data scientist, you should know all of these core skills and must have expertise in them. In this slides, we will have a quick comparison between data science and data analysis. So data science is basically what we are drawing insights from our raw data. Data analysis is wholesale based on historical data, like what historical data say, what are the trends associated with it. Next, machine learning. If we take machine learning, is a subset of data science and it focuses on algorithms for making predictions. Basically, you will be learning about more of machine learning algorithms in upcoming videos, so don't worry about that. And lastly is big data. What big data is? Like very large volume of data sets and that traditional tools cannot process comes under big data. Next come up is real world impact. Real world impact of data science is huge. It's really very huge. Like from improved customer experiences to enhanced decision making and efficient utilization of resources in business. Data is everywhere, so thus data science is, and it is important. At the end of this video, I would just like to say that think of data science as being a detective. The data is your evidence, the programming languages and tools are your magnifying glass, and the insights are the unsolved mysteries. So get along with us during this data science series to learn how to solve all the mysteries related to the data you have at any given point of time. Thank you for joining us for this session and see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.